Hi guys, today we wanted to present Strands' new show car. It's a Volkswagen Caddy. So we built it with the black of course, but this time we chose white together with the black. But we have bars everywhere, black, everything is tinted. Of course the driving lights, we have the intense and we have the identity LED bar underneath. Of course we have the dual position light on that one, chosen white this time. On the bar here we have the 4 LED version of the new warning light. You can turn that on here with the wireless controller. We also have the cruise light roof bar on top that we of course also can control by this. For this wireless controller we have the master on and off. If you just touch it one time you turn everything off, but it has a memory so it will turn on the same thing that was on before. So in this time we would get the strobes and the cruise lights lit up. You can turn those off for a while. And we can go to the side markers here. We have chosen to control that. We have a cruise light strobe controller connected inside, so we can play with some different patterns on these ones as well. You have 12 different patterns for this one, so you can they're connected from 1 to 5. It's 6 different channels on the cruise light strobe controller. We've used 5, so we can play with between the channels. You can have every other shining up. You can have it running back and forth. You can have it quicker running if you like that. And you have the steady on again. If you check inside here, the relay box you can control by either wire or the wireless controller. Now the position lights are on because the ignition is on for the car. Yeah, so if we go back to the strobes here, this is the 6 LED version, the bigger one, tinted lens. But this is a family together with the new tail lights. So this is a new special tail light. We have one version with the tail brake. We have one version with the indicator, one with fog, and this one is for reverse. So this is controlled by the car. We put in reverse for the signal cable, and also you can control it here by the wireless controller. So if we go for the roof bar instead and check, you always see the pattern you have on the wireless controller. Now it's hard to see because this bar is going up in the middle, but you can go from the right to the left, and you can go from the left to the right, and from the center and out. You can always just jump to whatever pattern you like, and you can dim those ones, but then they are not approved. So pattern approved by day and approved by night is the ones that are 65 approved. An old position light, but we have made a new version of it with the tinted lens, so it's dark. You also get the rubber seal that's made for mounting it on a bar. This is a 60mm bar this time. And as you see, we have the same position light on the sides, also the whites on the front. And because it's a Strands car, we of course have the black on black. We have it black, we have it black, we have it tinted. Also the front lights are tinted dark. Hopefully you will come and visit us the next show we are on. This will probably be there. Okay, have a good time.